My existence is befouled with tragedy. Somewhere or other I seem to have lost my O-Pen too, and I've turned my house inside out and I can't find it. What do you think? Nice, nice, nice. Guys, Global Phalanx, Kinetic Solutions and myself are going to be doing a backpack or EDC Ready Go Pack style giveaway fairly shortly. If you aren't following them, I suggest you go and follow them. If you're watching this on Instagram or YouTube, their links are down below. Facebook, the links will be in the comment or something like that. We have packages to open. So I'll open a package, do a pocket dump, and then open another package, and we'll have a chat as we go through it. So let's do the RAM package first. Okay. Okay. We have something definitely from Brennite. And then we have Torch SA's exclusive blade sharpening and quality test tool. You can't see it, but that's what it says on here. Torch SA's exclusive blade sharpening and quality test tool. Let's open this sucker first. Come on, guys. I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm not a patient person when it comes to opening gifts and things. So, yeah. Don't wrap stuff this tightly. Here we go. Okay. I believe this is, how do you say it? Gonzo knife? Gonzo, I'm hoping I'm saying it correctly. And this is a Brennite GM01 magnet mount. Magnet, okay, I see what these are. There's two of them. That's quite cool. These are those magnetic mounts that you like mount your firearm on. If you want quick access to them. I wouldn't keep something like this in my car. Maybe I'd keep it around the house somewhere. I'm gonna fiddle about, see where I can put this, where I'm comfortable to keep it, and then yeah, and then let you guys know how that goes. So Brennite now does magnet mounts, and they're quite weighty. When I do the pocket dump, we will see what's what. Gonzo knife or FB knife. Let's see what we've got here. Ooh, that is a nice color. That is a nice color. Ooh, that's smooth action. D2 blade steel. So Torch SA now are stocking knives, guys, and their target market are sort of your mid-range knife enthusiast, not someone who's spent 5,000 on a knife, but someone who does want a good quality knife. I will EDC this and let you guys know, but I really like the shape. G10 scales. You can always feel G10. It just feels so good in your hand. And D2 blade steel. That is a very good start to your knife journey. Knife sharpening tool. Henry Beeman. So guys, this comes from Henry Beeman, and he definitely knows what's up. If you're in South Africa, you know what that is, right? We call it biltong. I don't think there's a name for it in Church of England. The US, the closest thing in the US would be jerky, I believe it is. If you know how to get to a South African's heart, and it's sharp. Look at that. That is one way to get to a South African's heart. Oh, can you see this? Just glides. Oh, 5 second rule. Henry Beeman, you are a man of honor. Absolutely. I do love me some beef jerky. Look at that smooth cut. The beef jerky enthusiasts what we call biltong enthusiasts will know you need a sharp blade to cut biltong that smoothly. Thank you, Henry. I will absolutely enjoy this. Okay, so before we open package number 12, let's do a quick pocket dump. Right rear, do I even need to continue to say it, guys? It'll probably always be Leatherman Skeletal. Left pocket is the PowerTac E5. You guys know, if you watched my video this past weekend, if you haven't watched it, it's popping up in your screen, definitely watch it. You'll know why I'm carrying that. My keys on a Strauss & Co. key holder. I believe this is being upgraded soon. Belt is Core Essentials. Firearm, my good old Glock 19 with a hollow sun running in that custom Kydex holster. Guys, head over to Custom Kydex SA. You can still win yourself one of these holsters. I believe the comp ends at the end of March. They are basically like the custom Kydex version of Southwest holsters. It's a Southwest holster just with the crazy custom Kydex colors. Pocket, my new knife that I just got from Torch SA and Ganzo. I'm running the PowerTac Scholar because I lost my O-pin. Hopefully I can find it. And then, as always, on the right hip, good old Cold Steel Minitac Inner Southwest holsters sheath. Okay. Sharp, eh? He is sharp, and I believe D2 holds its edge really well. Okay, Olight. Oh, I've been wanting this. Okay, so let's start off first and foremostly. Olight band. I will put that on, and then we have some Olight. Is this a buff? I'm assuming it's a buff. Yep, Olight buff. Very nice. And then the new Olight S1R Baton 3. So those of you who've been following Olight will know this is the one that comes with like a charging base. I haven't been watching reviews because I wanted to sort of experience it for myself and see what's what. But you know, Olight has their particular awesome packaging. Yeah, we know that. It's actually smaller than what I thought it was, eh? It's not bad. Look at that. That's actually smaller and more compact than what it looks like on the pictures. So this holds like a charge. Oh, there we go. And you can basically stick your S1R Baton 2 or now Baton 3 inside of it, and it'll charge like 3 point something times. The thing I like, it's one of the sleeker, sexiest lights, right? But the thing I've always liked about the Baton 2, 1 and 3 is that it fits. Can you guys see? It fits really nicely inside your coin pocket on your jeans, right? So it means then that this pocket here is free. If you're not concerned about carrying a tactical flashlight and you're carrying a light for utilitarian purposes, the S1R Baton 2 is a really, really great option. And now the S1R Baton 3. So, I mean, I'm going to test this and see. Fully charge the Baton 3 3.7 times. I don't know if that's coming up clearly enough for you guys to see it. But, I mean, that's cool, right? So you keep this sucker in your EDC backpack or something, and you got 3.7 charges of your Olight S1R Baton 3. Thank you very much, Olight. You will definitely be seeing more of this. And I'm assuming you charge the battery pack via this Type-C. Olight, you listening? You making changes? Nice. So I'm assuming then, yeah, the cables are probably all in the packaging. Thank you very much, Olight. Let's just do one thing before we go further. Just empty. We are empty and safe. Yeah. These magnets from Brennite are magnetic, like a son of a. Jeez. I wonder. So just using the magnet, you can actually manipulate the slide. That's insane. That's very cool. I'll sort of put this around the house where I think necessary. Well, more than likely bedroom orientated, but very cool. Like it's so tight that I can manipulate the slide. Don't worry guys, we are empty. using just the magnet. Very cool. Guys, that is it. Just a quick mail time. A lot of people have been asking me to do a review of this flashlight, the PowerTech light that I ran on the Global Phalanx and Kinetic Solutions course. That I'll do that for you guys this weekend. Full review, and you know me, if it's got the word tactical on it, which just definitely does, I beat the absolute crap out of it, so it's going to be some cool footage. So stay tuned for that, guys. Please follow Global Phalanx and Kinetic Solutions. We're doing a backpack, more of an EDC Ready Pack type giveaway on the channel with them very, very soon. Thank you very much, Olight, for the Olight S1R Baton 3. I'll test and do a full review. Thank you to Henry Beeman from Torch SA for this especially, but also my new knife that I will be EDCing and testing for review, and my Brinite magnetic mounts. I mean, it's been a good day, right? That's a really good way to get over the midweek hump. Guys, I will see you on Sunday for a review. Have a good week. Be safe. Train hard. Cheers. God bless.